Reflective Minds. This is your host Monica. Today we will be discussing the card number 14, Temperance. Temperance deals with the balance, moderation, patience, purpose, addiction, obsession, materialism, and sexuality. That sounds nice. Okay, alternate name is Art. There's a lady standing with the angel wings in the Temperance card. Okay, astrological sign is Sagittarius. The archer element is fire, and meaning is patience. She is patient. Okay, Temperance. And the chakra is solar plexus for the personal power. Meaning is moderation, reconciliation, healing, and angelic guidance. Okay, let's see the meaning of the card. The angel holds two cups flowing with the water. He has one foot on a rock and other on the pool of the water, showing the present conscious mind, the rock or the earth, and the past, the emotion, the unconscious mind. A clear path runs from the pool through two mountains and towards a potential future. A luminous rising sun, a new horizon or perspective is in sight. The river bank is lush and verdant, and the two yellow irises bloom there. Symbol of hope. The angel, by moderating the flow of the water in his cups, creates a harmonious flow, a new reality. Okay, and then the angel is the Archangel Michael, the protective warrior angel who offers us the spiritual help and guidance while we strive to pacify or temper volatile forces. If we look closely, we see that the water from Michael's cup could be running upward or downward. Alchemy is at work, suggesting that a little magic may be needed if we are to reconcile all that demand upon us. Temperance is one of the tarot's four virtues. The Lover's Judgment. Temperance is also the second angel card in the major arcana sequence. It is a call to spiritual connection and service. This is shown by the symbol of sun on the Archangel Michael's forehead and the amulet on his chest. Angels in the tarot are also connected with the time. With Temperance, we are dealing with the issues of the past, present, and future. With the Lovers, Archangel Raphael calls time on the present decision with the future impact. With the Judgment, Archangel Gabriel calls time on the past. So it is saying the Archangel Raphael calls time on the present decision with the future impact. If you are deciding something in present and the impact will be in future, Archangel Raphael is the one. That is the Lovers. While with the Judgment, Archangel Gabriel is called on the time of the past. That's interesting. Just mention it once again. Okay, then if this card is showing an upright position, you are dealing with potentially volatile situation and you need to temper your thoughts and action to find balance and harmony. This means choosing neither one nor the other, but blending two opposing forces to create an inspired solution. The card also asks you not to resist but to accept both sides of the situation and be guided by what feels most natural to you. It is a time to reconcile any area of your life that is out of filter. Be hands-on. You can analyze what you might do for the enos, but what matters now is action. Temperance also shows you are connecting with your guides and angels. You may be given such a sign, advice from a friend or even a stranger whom the angels have sent to help you. This may also be the beginning of the spiritual journey for you. In your projects, what you imagine, you can create. You may also be inspired by an invention or work of art from the past. If this card shows in a home reading, running a household and dealing with the demanding children or partners is a fine balancing act, but you have the financial and emotional resources to succeed. That's a good news. Relationship. This is a stage in a relationship when you can reach a new level of trust. If you are single, you may be guided towards a new partner. It is an emotionally intense time. For career and money, it shows that you are dealing with a difficult or highly sensitive individual. Be the diplomat and you can work a miracle. In money terms, pay extra attention to your income and outgoings. If this card is in reverse, the reverse shows the imbalance and unfairness in relationships and problems with the money. What you pour into your relationship and work isn't rewarded. This card can also show you struggling with the change and the past dominating your present and future. In this position, difficult old memories can resurface and you feel held back. Try to look at what you need now in the present. Wisdom is you are guided to find peace. Different symbols present: the triangular and the square. The triangle within the square denotes the element of fire and the earth. This said that weight is a symbol of the septenary. The 7 principles of man, according to the 19th century Theosophistus. The 7 principles are the physical body, the astral body, the breath, the desire, the thought, the spirit. And I am above. The amulets are the 4 Hebrew words YHVH, tetragrammaton for the Lord, or when spoken Yahweh. The cups represent the vessels of our experience and temperance. 1 cup is for the past and 1 is for the present, and the water is running between the 2 symbolizes present, what we create from the past, and our future expectation. The cups also show focus on the task in hand. The sun symbol, dotted circle on the archangel's head, is an astrological symbol for the sun and the spiritual illumination. It is also alchemical symbol for the gold. Archangel Michael is a protector archangel who deals with the cutting through the fear and letting go of the past. The Irishes refers to the Irish, the Greek goddess of the rainbows and hope. The water symbolizes purification, regeneration in a cultural practice, and is also a signifier of the flow of emotions and unconscious mind. Rising sun over the mountain volcano symbolizes the renewal. It's a new dawn after a period of stress through the mountains. So the temperance seems very good card to me, and I hope you enjoyed this reading. Hope to see you in the next one. Tata, bye bye.